Hello everyone, today I'm going to share a new way to eat eggplant. No deep frying, no boiling, and it's surprisingly delicious. So good I wouldn't trade it even for braised pork. Let's see how I make it together. We start by preparing 2 fresh eggplants and cutting off both ends. Then carefully peel the eggplants, ensuring all the skin is removed. After peeling, slice the eggplants into pieces about 0.5 centimeters thick. Take a look, slices of this thickness are just right. After slicing, put them into a large bowl. Add a little salt, a bit of white vinegar, then pour in enough water to cover the eggplant. Soak the eggplant for a while to prevent it from oxidizing and turning black. Next, let's prepare some side vegetables. Take 2 green peppers, cut them in half, and then chop them into pieces. Once chopped, set them aside on a plate. Prepare a few cloves of garlic, crush them, and then mince them. After mincing, place them on a plate for later use. Take 10 grams of ginger, crush it, and then finely chop it. Cut a small section of green onion into thin slices to make scallion rings. Next, take a tomato, cut it in half, remove the tough core, and then dice it into small pieces. Once cut, place the pieces on a plate. Next, prepare a small bowl, crack in 2 authentic hen eggs and beat them thoroughly with chopsticks. Our eggplants have finished soaking, take them out and drain off the excess water. Now pour the beaten egg mixture over the eggplants, and use chopsticks to mix well, making sure the eggplants are evenly coated with the egg. Next, add a spoonful of cornstarch and a spoonful of regular flour, then mix everything together by hand, so that the eggplants are evenly coated with the batter. Prepared this way, the eggplants will be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, with an especially fragrant aroma. Take a look, this is the consistency you want. Prepare an electric griddle or a flat-bottom pan, and use a small brush to coat it with a layer of cooking oil. Then place the batter-coated eggplants into the pan one by one, making sure to leave some space between each piece to prevent them from sticking together. Once all the pieces are in, cover the pan and let them cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open the lid and flip the eggplant patties over. Take a look, the bottoms of the patties are already golden brown. Dear friends, if you've watched the video up to this point, could you please use your lucky hands to give it a like and share it? Your likes and shares are the greatest support for me. Thank you so much. Next, cover the pan again and cook for another 3 minutes or so. Alright, time's up. Open the lid. Wow, it smells absolutely amazing. At this point, our eggplant patties are done, golden in color and incredibly appetizing. Let's take them out. These pan-fried eggplants aren't greasy at all. You can dip them in some ketchup or sprinkle on some barbecue seasoning and eat them right away. They're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The more you eat, the better they taste. To make them even more delicious, let's move on to the next step. In a bowl, add a spoonful of light soy sauce, half a spoon of aromatic vinegar, a small spoon of salt, a small spoon of sugar to enhance the flavor, and 2 spoons of water. Add a little cornstarch, then stir everything well with chopsticks. Heat the pan, add a little cooking oil, and once the oil is hot, add chopped green onion, ginger, and garlic, and stir fry until fragrant. After releasing the aroma, add the tomatoes and stir fry until the tomato juices come out. Next, add the green peppers and stir fry a few times. Then pour in the prepared sauce. Turn the heat to high and keep stirring with a spatula, simmering the sauce until it thickens. Finally, cook it until it reaches this thickened state and it's ready. Then add the fried eggplant into the wok and use a spatula to stir fry evenly so that the eggplant is well coated with the sauce. This dish can have a bit more sauce, which makes it more flavorful. Stir fry for about 20 seconds, that's enough, since the eggplant is already cooked. Alright, take it out of the wok and plate it up. A delicious tomato and eggplant stir fry is ready. It's rich in nutrients, tastes sweet and tangy, whets your appetite, and is even more satisfying than braised pork. Both the elderly and children love it. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.